Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and it's first time we will have a long distance traveling together with our new bike, Giant Talon 1, and we will go in the beach of waterfront here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, in front of the Hilton Hotel. But we will check the road if the overpass or the footbridge is already available. So join me in my journey this morning. It is a little bit gloomy, but the weather is very great. Nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? All I do comes out low. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave. Still, the footbridge is not finished. It is very near to cross in the highway if this bridge is finished already. But for now, we will continue to the north side, which is the highway, and there is another footbridge over there. We will try to check if it is finished, that one. Losing track, no turning back. I'm running through fire, step by step, day by day, burning up. This journey is almost first time. Our riding to this bike is the first time that we have long distance travel, and also the beach that we are going right now is also first time. And we didn't expect before that there is a beach over there, but by going to or scouting in the Google Maps, we found out that there is an open sea or beach. We will try if later on we can have swim in that place. So from here we will start to travel about 12 to 14 kilometers if the other overpass or the footbridge is still not operational. But also it is fine to have some more distance for our exercise. All I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground but not back down each time? We are in the middle of summertime, and it is very hot already, even if it is almost 6:25 in the morning. And we will continue in our front, that is the new footbridge, and we will see if it is operational. So I'm getting more sweet already. We appreciate that you are watching this video, and you can help us improving these channels by liking this video and also subscribing to these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. Felt so good staying up all night, that will forever be our place. And I know it's been a long time. Well, it's already the second footbridge, and we will try to check if it is working already. Unfortunately, in this situation, this is still not working. We have closed the stairs. But anyway, our target is to continue this long ride this morning. Jeddah had been a lot of preparation for any other construction, and this one place over here they already prepared, and it's very huge. From that road to the US consulate will be this perimeter of this place.
day. And oh,
We are near the Globe Runabout, where the area that we will have our turn point or sense of direction. We will go to the left, going to the west.
right back to where I belong. Fly right back to my home, sweet home. If I could, I'd take it all back, take it all back.
Approaching to Globe Runabout, and now adjusting the speed to blend with the traffic.
Another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms.
We will cross and go to our left over here.
If I could find
We always found massive of construction that is happening. This is, I think, is a huge hotel.
could I take it all back, take it all back and fly high up above the open sea into another destiny. I close my eyes and I'm back in your arms, back in your arms. I'd fly.
We are here now at Al Marjan, and we will go to this street going to the left. We always go to the other road, but now there is some kind of construction over there. That is the Grand Prix for the F1 racing here in Jeddah. The wind is opposite in our direction and very difficult to pedal. It's a nice place because it's very quiet and peaceful. There's not too much vehicle that is running in this area. The wind is getting stronger and stronger. I got some light detour because the wind is too strong and it's very hard to continue in that area. The wind is strong and the sun is rising up. Still, we don't reach our destination. This few more kilometers ahead. First time I hear, I thought that the Saudi Arabia or Jeddah, it's a huge desert, but it is different. You can find out many plants and animals, mountains, and also there is mini farm in this country. We are here in the starting point of the bike lane, and we will continue until we reach the seaside. I did not expect that there is a crowd, because always morning time when we go here, it's not that like this too much people. But because of the low and count of infection of the COVID, that's why many people is going out already. We reached our destination already, and long ride is very rewarding. You can see a place like this to relax and to unwind, and always you can create very good vibes and possibilities in lives, and enjoy the grace of God that is given to the humanity. sounds in the beach in this waterfront, and I had to take some relaxation and coffee over here.
I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth.
It is very beneficial for our thoughts to see beauty like this. With the fresh air, we can have new oxygen in our body to make us relax and also have a great energy in our daily lives. We will continue to explore this area.
And burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors, I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flames. Ooh, throw our problems in the flame. I get a little bit breathless, my thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
I've been running down the empty streets, blindfolded by misbeliefs. I've been back to where we met, all the moments and regrets. I've been searching empty alleys, called your name out in the prairies.
It's been a quite beautiful in this place. It's unbelievable. It is the first time, but again, this is a huge area, and we will explore more things later on, and more recreation or a park in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So this is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz saying, leave your stress behind the road. Thank you very much for watching our video.
Through